saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know.
Okay, so you guys have been asking me if I could film a Valentine's Day makeup look. 'Tis the season, I guess. I actually went on Twitter and I asked if you wanted something a little bit more kind of like simpler and easier, or if you wanted like full beat, full glam. Full glam one. Love you guys so much. You guys know I'm an all or nothing girl, so thanks so much. This is the makeup look that I decided to go with. It's just a kind of golden pink little moment. Cute little outfit here. Well, I attempted. I mean, of course, Valentine's Day, pink, like it all. Even a pink lip. And a pink lip is the last kind of colour I would choose for. I was actually going to do a red originally, and then I thought, no, you know what? Let's just branch out. Speaking of lipstick, okay, I really want to share something with you because no matter what you're doing, where you're going, who you're seeing, this is something we always need. Ugh. Perfume. And yes, this perfume bottle is in the shape of a lipstick, and it's the best thing I've ever seen. This perfume here, you guys, honestly, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know about this. I've been raving about it for the past like month or so. This is by a brand called Cacharel. This is their Yes I Am fragrance. I'm working with them on the perfume part of this video, which is so exciting. But guys, the love is real, okay? They sent me a little one, you know, to try out. Love, obsessed. I went out and bought the big one. I love it that much. Let me just... If you're into your like sweet scents, but like really, how can I describe it? I'm trying to like, it has that like sophisticated grown-up smell, but it's sweet at the same time, which is everything I look for in a perfume. I'm not like a floral girl, or I don't like anything really sweet and like sickly. I just thought it's perfect to put in this Valentine's Day video because it's like everyone needs a fragrance, right? Everyone wants to smell good, but also the bottle is so cute. It's just so feminine. This whole makeup look is like girly and pink and feminine. I'm actually just gonna have a final little spritz because I can't help myself. Okay, right. Anyway, if you guys want to see what I did to my face, then just keep watching. Right, so you guys chose glam. So glam's what I'm going to give you. Which, going to be an eyes first moment just so we can do it and not ruin our face. So, starting off with a little bit of concealer to prep the eyes. You guys know the drill. I've got hiccups. The palette of choice today is going to be this. I was going to say little guy, but it's pretty big. This is by Beauty Bay. This is their Evolve 42 colour palette. And inside you have about 20 million colours to play with. I chose this one because honestly, the kind of pinks all in the middle here are low-key calling my name. So here we are. The palette's so big, I'm like, how do I hold you? Hiccups. I'm going to dip into this kind of peachy pinky colour here. And I'm just going to put it into the... Whoa! Ah. God, I'm so weird. Right. It's good pigment, okay? Standard procedure with this colour, it's going to go from inner corner to outer corner and kind of buff it up to the brow. That is a pretty colour. She's pink. Pink. You know? I'm actually going to go in with this shade here. It's like a light orangey colour. And I just want to use that to lightly buff out that colour to the brow bone. Just so the colour's a little more seamless and not so like, bam, like blocky eyeballs, you know? I'm also going to use that shade to wing her out a little bit. Okay, cute. Now, I'm going to take this dark pink here. Ooh, she looks bright. Just going to use this to deepen the crease a little more. Get it looking a little more pinky, you know? It's V-Day and all. And then just to basically deepen this entire thing, I'm going to go in with this orangey colour and this darker brown. We're just going to kind of, I'm going to dabble in both. Pack that ish on this outer corner. I'm going to blend it into the crease a little bit, but mainly on the outer corner. And then I'm kind of blending all the colours together. I don't know if you guys can see the motion, but I'm kind of like taking it like a winged out cut crease, if that makes sense. I'm literally just going back and forth between all brushes now because I just want this to be as blended as possible. Basically keep blending till your arm falls off. So cut crease time, bitches. I know, really original for my channel. Concealer on my hand. Ready to cut that crease. I just love me a cut crease. I just feel like it just looks bomb. I can't help it. Onto the lid first. Look up, look down.
Look all around.
And there's my little guide. This cut crease is a little different to what I normally do. So we're going to kind of follow that like circly shape on our eye. But when we get to the end, we're actually going to like flick it out, kind of wing the cut crease out. You'll see what I mean when I do it. So I've winged it out and then kind of at the wing brought it back down to my eye. So I've not put any concealer on this outer corner. We've kept her clean. To blend that outer corner, I'm actually going to dip into the darkest colour here. It's just like a dark chocolatey brown. And I'm going to pack.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
She's pigmented. I should know by now. And then just blend her out and kind of into the crease colour here. Let me just take a wipe, clean up this. Oh, that is so satisfying. Kind of getting right in the inner corner and then like rounding it off. Anywho, now for the fun part, we're gonna add like a little bit of glitter, a little bit of something, you know? This product, I have been dying to try this ever since I got it. I'm like, I need to put you on my eyeballs, like now. This is by NYX. This is the Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the color Polished Pinup. Basically like a gold pink shade. Look at that. She is shiny. Obsessed. Let that dry. While that's drying, by the way, a little tip that I do when it comes to my eyeshadow, sometimes I feel like the corners up here can be a little bit harsh. If you take a beauty blender and like pounce it over the top, it just softens those edges. Sometimes I go a little crazy, a little heavy-handed, and I'm like, you need to calm down, Jules. Oh my god, do you know what could be so cute right now? Like a little love heart here. Is that too much? Never too much. Never too much. Ladies and gents, I'm about to be brave. I'm about to put my big man boots on and risk effing up this entire situation. But hey, I'm going to use the NYX White Liquid Liner. I'm really scared. Okay, I've come to the conclusion that I'm not an artist and that I'm not sure whether that looks like a love heart or a blob. Yes, no, maybe, call a friend. Let's stick on some lashes. I have a fresh pair of Lily lashes here, which makes me so happy. These ones are in the style Mykonos. Mykonos. They're super fluffy and I love the shape of them. I love how they're like longest in the middle and then they're short on like the edges. They're dead cute. A little bit of Duo Lash Glue, you guys, you know. I just got it all in my hair. While my lashes are going a little bit tacky, I'm going to take one of my fave mascaras, Too Faced Better Than Sex. Can we all just talk about this one as well? It's literally glittery. Coat this on. I love this mascara so much. So pretty. I mean, better than sex? I mean, listen, that's a pretty big claim. I mean, it depends. Am I right, ladies? Okay, cool. So one eye is pretty much done. 10 points to Gryffindor if you know what I'm about to go do. Do this on this eye, and then I'll be back and we can start to do skin. Let's go. Right, guys, you just wouldn't believe what just happened to me, and I'm just really emotional about it. No, but for real, I'm genuinely annoyed. You know, like when you could cry because you're so frustrated, that's me, but I'm kind of trying to keep my shit together and think, girl, you've just spent that long on your eye makeup, do not do that. We just had some technical issues, would you say? I just filmed my entire skin, like did it all, was about to do my intro and outro, was like literally living my best life because I was like, yeah, I'm getting my shit together, I'm getting shit done. I looked and I wasn't recording any of the audio. Like, not one bit. So, here we are. If my skin looks a little bit beat, it's because it literally is beat. Because I've just literally scrubbed the crap out of it. Anyway, let's just do the skin again for a second time. Part 2. Welcome back to Jordan's channel where she can't do anything apparently. So I'm going to start by moisturising my skin. This is the Ole Henriksen Truth C-Rush Brightening Gel Creme. This stuff, you guys, is amazing. Honestly, my favourite moisturiser. I'm just going to take a little dollop. Not only does this really moisturize your skin and feel so good, but also smells amazing as well, and it leaves a really nice glow on your skin. You guys see that glow? Oh, I love it. Primer, I'm gonna take this, I was about to say Make a Revolution. It's not, it's Revolution Pro. This is their Perfecting Featherweight Primer. This basically does like, kind of just like a little bit of everything. It smooths, it kind of fills in your pores, just preps your skin nicely. Oh, by the way, don't put too much on. I learned the hard way. If you put too much on, honestly, Flashback Mary will come. She'll haunt you. And listen, we do not want any scandals. For my foundation, I'm going to use this little guy here. This is by Makeup Forever. This is their Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade Y315. I'm just going to kind of like squiggle her on. Wow. That is artwork. And then just taking a brush, I'm just going to start patting this into my skin. The coverage on this foundation is so real. This is what we need, you know? Especially for Valentine's Day. Listen, I just need to cover up all my insecurities. And then once I've kind of blended the majority of it with my brush, I'm going to take my crusty dry ass beauty blender, which I'm just going to, don't mind me, fix past the absolute shit out of it because I cannot be bothered to with my ass. I'm just going to bounce this all over my skin just to kind of like smooth everything out, take away any excess product, basically make everything look flow to the looks, you know, 10 out of 10. Concealer, where you are, I need you. We need to conceal these dark circles, these bags, because they're real. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer. I'm pretty sure this is new, I think. But I mean, it's new to me anyway. So I have been obsessed with this concealer though. It has a really nice coverage. It looks so nice underneath the eye as well, like not heavy or anything. I'm also just gonna, oh, that was a lot more than I thought that'd be. And basically, just start to bounce her in. Oh, by the way, I'm in the color 21. 21? What's 9 plus 10? I'm delusional. Look at her go. She's floor to the list. The concealer, I mean. Not me. Wow, I am far from. Jeez Louise. Fake it till we make it with makeup. Time to set all of this in place, all of our hard work, because we do not want this to melt off our face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Nice try, Jordan. It's their translucent setting powder, basically. Oh my god, there's literally powder everywhere. Real quick, before I start creasing, I'm just gonna pack this powder on underneath my eye. I'm not gonna bake or anything. I'm just gonna like take a crap ton and just really press it into my skin. Once I've packed that on and I'm happy, I'm just gonna take a fluffier brush and just set the rest of my face. Have a little feel, just make sure we are not sticky. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. What is next? Bronzer. I'm going to be taking an oldie but a goodie. This is by The Body Shop. This is their Honey Bronze bronzer. Mine is in 06, which is they call it a dark copper matte. It looks like this. Basically, it's the warm tones, and we all know how I feel about a warm toned bronzer. Hitting all the usual spots, so the outside of my face, cheeks, forehead, chin, jawline. I feel like not many people speak about this bronzer, which kind of makes me sad because I think it's so good. Like, you don't really think of The Body Shop for makeup, to be fair, but listen, they've got some bomb-ass products. I'm actually not going to contour today. I kind of want to keep everything a little bit softer, but what I am going to do is, just to kind of sort out this moon face a little bit, is go back in with the translucent powder, pack some on my brush, and just carve out underneath here. This is kind of like reverse contouring. What was that noise that just came out my mouth? That's what we want to look like. You know? While she's cooking and doing her thing, I'm really quickly going to contour my nose. I am going to rush through this, but if you do want to see something about contouring, whether it's nose contouring or contouring in general, let me know in the comments below. Fab, now we can actually just dust off this powder She's been Jade chilling there for a little while now. Time for blush. I freaking love blush. It's actually really funny. In my last video, I saw some comments from you guys and you were like, I remember when you used to hate blush. I used to literally be like, blush? Ew, who's she? Now I'm like, give me all the blush in the world. Thanks so much. I normally go for more of like peachy blushes, but because this is quite pink, we're gonna stick with them vibes. So I'm gonna use this by Jouer. This is their Adore Blush Duo. 2 different shades. I'm actually gonna take this kind of like muted pinky shade here. This is Adore Me. And just pop her on the apples of the cheek. Oh, I love blush so much. I feel like it adds so much more like color and life back to your skin. You just put it on, you're like, oh, there she is. She's back. Time to glow. This is literally everybody's fave part, right? This is Becca Opal. Oh, I was trying to open it from the wrong end. It's more of like a champagne pink. It's dead pretty. We're gonna swirl in and just go crazy. Hi. Welcome. Welcome to my face. This highlighter is so pretty. It looks like wet on the skin. It's not like instantly blinding. You have to kind of build it up, but once it's on your skin, listen. I'm also gonna hit just above my brows just to kind of bring back the overall kind of glow. Question is, am I glowing enough? I love how I ask the question and I just keep applying more. Clearly not. Mind you, I could keep applying highlighter for days, so I need to just put the brush down. Really, don't I? Right, eyes real quick. Let's finish them off. I completely forgot to tell you guys at the beginning, I have actually added the inner corner highlight and also the brow bone highlight with the most amazing product I think I've ever used in my life. This is a gem, okay? This is by Makeup Forever. This is their Starlet Diamond Powder in 103. It's just this amazing like white pigment with like all this pink in. How incredible is it? Like, obsessed. And then to finish up actually underneath my eye, we're gonna of course jump back in to the Beauty Bay palette. I'm gonna take a mixture of like the pinks and the browns. I'm just gonna smoke that underneath my eye. And then I'm gonna dip back into the shade, this like peachy shade that we used for our transition in the very beginning. And I'm just gonna use that to buff out that color, just so it's a bit more blended. I love how I'm still holding the palette up. Seeing as this is a Valentine's Day look, I kind of add like a little bit more like smoke, a little bit more like sexy sultriness, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna take a brown kohl pencil. Anyone literally will work. Brown, by the way, is so much softer than black. Sometimes I put black eyeliners and stuff on my eye and I'm like, that's a lot. And I'm just gonna pop this in my waterline. Now to complete this entire look, we are onto lips. Now I feel like you can kind of go for like any lip color you're feeling. Like you could go bold and go red or pink, or you could keep it like more cash and go nude. It's totes up to you. I think I'm gonna go for like a pinky nude. I normally go for more of a brown nude, but it's V-Day. Pinks, reds, you know the vibe. So the first thing I'm going to take is this lip liner from Sleek. This is their Twist Up Lip Pencil in Shabby Chic. These are so creamy, by the way. The lip pencil's so nice. For the actual lip color, I'm taking an Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the color Nude Potion. This is kind of like a milky, milkshakey baby pink. Then to finish this lip off, I'm just gonna go back in with my Makeup Forever concealer. We're gonna create like a little bit of an ombre feel, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and just pop it in the middle. And leave it like that, great, and we're done. Just keeping it like right in the center though. And then we can finish this entire look off with my fave setting spray and the K All Nighter. Guys, this is the completed makeup look. If you guys recreate this look, do this for Valentine's Day, don't forget to tag me because I would love to see. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I love every single one of you so much, and I'll see you all very, very soon with a brand new video. And I hope, no matter what you say, as taken bacon, single Pringle ready to mingle, I hope you have a fab Valentine's Day. Mwah. Bye guys.